Natalie, we are finally here. A place I've known I've wanted to be for the past 6 years. Standing in front of everyone we love, committing my life to loving you. I know that if I get to stand here on this day and marry the girl of my dreams, that I've done something right. If every day I'm blessed enough to wake up to you, as you're so eager to take on the world, with so much energy at 6:30 in the morning on a Saturday, that my choices have led me to the right place. Every laugh we shared since going to Diddy Reese and running in the fountain and almost getting arrested. But I promise that if that ever happens again, we'll be getting arrested together. And no matter what this world will throw at us, I know we're gonna tackle it together. Not only because I'm promising you now in front of everyone we love, but because you deserve it. Every single day you deserve everything I have. And I promise you that that's what you'll get, and I'll do my best for you and for our future family. This is the beginning of the rest of our lives, and I want you, mi amor.
I think back to the night we met, and it blows my mind to think that 6 years ago, at 21, I met my best friend and my future husband inside a water fountain. You are the most loving, caring, and patient person that I have ever met, and you have the biggest heart. And I am so grateful that you've chosen to share it with me. You are my biggest supporter, my lover, my best friend, and the greatest gift of my life. I promise to never give up on us, and to never stop choosing you. I promise to find you sooner in my next life, because one lifetime with you is not enough. Anthony, you are my future, my everything, my life, and now my husband. And I am forever yours faithfully. I love you.
I know I haven't been perfect, but give it some time. There's not a single day goes by where you don't cross my mind. And we spend our lives looking for things we can't find. Oh, but not a single day goes by where you don't cross my mind.
Barbie, we are celebrating here the wedding of your dreams with the man you've always hoped for and more. Because you never gave up on yourself, and I never gave up on you.
I will still remember that time we drove to Vegas to meet this guy with the pretty eyes. It was a trip from hell, starting with car troubles to weather issues to room issues, everything else you could think of. We never met the guy with the pretty eyes.
It's a beautiful sight to see both of you grow. Your love has brought everybody together, and I can only imagine the memories you will one day create.
Throughout the years,
I have seen yours and Anthony's relationship grow, and I'm so excited that the day has finally come where we've all gathered to see you both say I do. Cookie, always remember to tell her those 3 words that every girl wants to hear. You are right. Because even if she's wrong, you know she's right.
And I know I haven't been perfect, but give it some time. 'Cause not a single day goes by where you don't cross my mind.
Marriage is the journey you take with your best friend. Enjoy the ride, enjoy the journey.
But not a single day goes by where you don't cross my mind. Not a single day goes by where you don't cross my mind. But not a single day goes by where you don't cross my mind.
So glad, Natalie, you did not go with our plan. It was to marry a rich sugar daddy. And we were going to share everything. But I think she found something way more. Congrats, you guys. I love you.
Anthony, the day has come. Welcome to the family. If we haven't scared you away now, then you're just as crazy and dysfunctional as we are.